Hello, this is Chad from Bucyrus Motor Ranch, bringing to you a nice local trade-in. This is a 1996 Wellcraft Excel 26 SE. This is a nice 26-foot boat. Cruiser, 7.4 liter, 454 big block in this puppy. Aft cabin. Garmin 7-inch touchscreen GPS. You're on a tandem axle Eagle trailer. We just winterized this boat today. It's October 31st, Halloween 2023. Just winterized it. I have several videos of this boat running, and as we were winterizing it, you can check out all the photos, multiple videos on our website, as well as interior photos at motorranch.cool. Again, it's a 96 Wellcraft, 26-foot boat, 549 hours, locally owned, on trailer. Great boat. Aft cabin, vacuum flush head. Check out all the photos and videos on motorranch.cool.